Why automatically generating test flows make you faster? MuleSoft as a company was formed specifically to take the donkey work out of integration and make it easier for developers to do the tasks they have to in order for them to spend more time on IP and to increase developer productivity. A great example of this is how the development tooling within MuleSoft provide a number of auto-generated artifacts and configurations based on common developer tasks. One area in particular this helps rapidly increase the speed of development and deployment is in testing. In the MuleSoft Studio, developers can, with one click, automatically generate test flows for all of their integrations and APIs, which can then be executed by MUnit or driven by CI/CD build processes. This not only ensures quality by encouraging and make it easy to test, it can drastically reduce the time spent testing in your software development lifecycle. In this video, we're going to look at how the automatically generated test flows in the MuleSoft Studio can help increase your developer productivity and reduce the overall time of your software development lifecycle. Firstly, we'll be developing or importing an integration application. Then we will be, through one click, generating contextual test flows for each of the integrations that we've built. Finally, we're going to execute the MUnit tests directly from the Development Studio. As a developer, I don't want to spend my time writing test suites for my applications. In the Studio, I can choose one of my applications. With one click, I can choose whether I want to generate test suites for that individual flow or for the entire application. This allows me to test small parts of the application or even the entire integration application as one. The automatically generated test suites can also be augmented if I want to customize these and add some of my own testing into those pre-built tests. I can even run the test directly from within my development environment so I know my application has passed these tests. I can now move on to deployment and the other activities that I need to take care of. So what we've seen in this video is how we can generate automatically developed test flows for each of our integrations to help reduce the overall time of our software development lifecycle. Firstly, we can develop or import an integration application. Through one click, we can generate contextual test flows for each of the integrations within that application. Finally, we can execute those MUnit tests, or we can have them driven from continuous integration and continuous deployment technologies. So to summarize, we've seen in this video why automatically generated test flows can make you faster as an organization. We've seen how they can increase development speed whilst ensuring quality by encouraging testing around the developer community. We've also seen how developers can focus on your intellectual property and innovating with these applications rather than doing some of the typical donkey work, such as writing the unit tests. Although testing may seem a small part of the software development lifecycle, it can play a large role in the ability for your organization to move at speed and develop and deploy applications. Therefore, we feel it's very important you can automatically generate these test flows so your developers can be unlocked to spend more time developing those applications further and ultimately increasing your clock speed as an organization.